Introducing the new AP Lazer Lowrider series, the ultimate business growth tool for visionary entrepreneurs.
Unlike traditional laser machines, the Lowrider breaks free from flat object engraving, opening doors to unmatched versatility and profit. The open architecture design empowers you to handle substantial furniture pieces, create larger signage, engrave photographs, logos, and cut intricate designs. The Lowrider's automated laser cut allows you to engrave floors or level the laser head with ease. Handling large or heavy materials has never been smoother. Seize every opportunity that comes your way. Handle full sheets of material or engrave large furniture projects that deliver substantial returns. The inside cooling system creates a sleek and clutter-free work area. Easily switch from top venting for engraving to bottom venting for cutting. And with the rotary device, diversify your business with tumblers, baseball bats, or heavy granite. Scale your business without limitations. The Lowrider is available in smaller models that are portable and lightweight, giving you the freedom to take on diverse projects wherever your creativity takes you. The all-in-one turnkey package includes all necessary software and accessories. No need for internet connection or monthly subscription. Our on-call 24/7 tech support and comprehensive training will ensure you're always at your best. Lead with innovation and let AP Lazer Lowrider elevate your business to new heights.